Hello, greetings from mining mentor H.R. Ghosh. Today's topic, structure of mine administration for basic mining group 1 session 2. The Constitution of India is the topmost basic law of the country. Three pillars of the Constitution are legislature, the parliament, judiciary, the court of law, administration, the government of India. Article 246 of the Constitution empowers Parliament to frame laws on regulation of labor and safety in mines. Accordingly, the Parliament have passed the Mines Act. The mines are grouped as coal mines, oil mines, and metal mines, that is, mines other than coal and oil mines. The Mines Act is enforced from 1st July 1952. All types of the mines are covered under this Mines Act 1952. This is the Mines Act 1952. Section 57 of the Mines Act empowers central government to frame regulations, and Section 58 of the Mines Act empowers central government to frame rules. Accordingly, central government have framed the Coal Mines Regulation 2017. And later on published standards in coal mines. Central government has framed many rules. The first one, the mines rules. The another rule, mines vocational training rules. Another rule, the mines rescue rules. Another rule, the mines create rules. So under the Mines Act, the following rules are framed. Rule number 1, the Mines Rules 1955, applicable to all mines. The Coal Mines Regulation 2017, applicable to all coal mines. The Metalliferous Mines Regulation 1961, applicable to all mines other than coal and oil mines. The Oil Mines Regulation 1984, applicable to all oil mines. The Mines Vocational Training Rules 1966, applicable to all types of mines. The Mines Rescue Rules 1985, applicable to all below ground mines. The Mines Create Rules 1966, applicable to all mines. The Coal Mines Pitted Berth Rules 1959, applicable to all coal mines employing more than 1,000 persons. Besides the above, bylaws may be framed for individual mines for the safe working of any special type of machinery or of a special method of work. Section 61 of the Mines Act 1952. This figure illustrates under the Government of India, there is a department to monitor enforcement of provisions of Mines Act, rules, regulations, etc., which is termed as Director General of Mine Safety, or in short DGMS. However, in Mines Act, they are referred as Chief Inspector of Mines, Regional Inspector of Mines, and Inspector of Mines. All the mines operating in India have to obey the provisions laid down in these legislations. Coming to the Mines Act. What is the Mines Act? The Mines Act 1952 is an act to amend and consolidate the law relating to the regulation of labor and safety in mines. It is passed by Indian Parliament on the 15th March 1952 on the strength of Article 246 of the Constitution of India. It came into force from 1st July 1952. The objective of the Act are: number one, to provide for health, safety and welfare of persons employed in mines. Number two, to regulate working conditions and environment in mines. Number three, to provide for measures to prevent accidents and occupational diseases. Number four, to provide for basic amenities to mine workers. Number five, to prescribe a system of inspection of mines for enforcement of legislation. It extends to whole of India except the state of Sikkim. We shall deal the defined provisions of the Act separately. What is Mines Rules? Mines Rules 1955 are the rules framed by the central government on the basis of power given to it under Section 58 of the Mines Act 1952 to elaborate and supplement the Mines Act 1952 on matters relating to health, safety and welfare of persons employed in mines. What is Coal Mines Regulations? The Coal Mines Regulations 2017 are the regulations framed by the central government on the strength of Section 57 of the Mines Act 1952 for ensuring safety and health of persons employed in mines. We shall explain in detail about the defined provisions separately. In addition, we have to study some of the provisions applicable to mines in the Central Electricity Authority Measures Relating to Safety and Electric Supply Regulations 2010 under the Electricity Regulation 2003. Please subscribe and click bell icon and share among potential candidates. Thank you.